Hi, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. Don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
So today we have this cute little house in Fountain, which is just north of Panama City. So it's the perfect quintessential country living, but access to your beaches or in town for all of your needs. This great little home is just under 1,500 square feet. It's been freshly remodeled. You got new paint, added granite countertops. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And they added the vinyl throughout, but in the living room, look at the flooring. It's some of the original hardwood and it's really cute and quaint. This home sits on 0.65 acres. So if you would like some space between you and your neighbors, you got little ones, it's just perfect for the family. So if you would like more information about this, look in the description below. You can check out the MLS listing link and get more details if this might interest you. And don't forget, ring that bell, subscribe to thebeachshow.com so you don't miss out on any future homes.